One of the signature dishes that we have here in Anihan is what I call Bibingkang Puti. We are working closely with siguro producers doon sa local na gusto rin naming i-promote. And isa sa mga talaga namang suppliers namin from the start is ang Magdalena Dairy. So dito nila ginagawa yung kanilang mga dairy products, especially yung kesong puti. And na-realize ko lang na why not incorporate yung kanilang main ingredient or yung kanilang main product sa mga paboritong desserts or merienda ng mga palaging bumibisita dito sa Anihan. So we have here our eggs. Whisk lang natin to. Then dissolve natin yung sugar. This is also something that we're proud of na made to order talaga to. So kung kailan lang siya in order, saka lang siya namin ginagawa. So we're very sure na fresh na fresh. We have here yung ating bida, kesong puti. And then we add yung ating glutinous rice flour. So let's just make sure that everything is fully incorporated before we pour it in to our molds. May lining lang tayo dyan ng dahon ng saging as you would pag gumagawa ka ng bibingka. That's simple. Quick tap. Kapag yung inyong bibingkang puti na gagawin, mas malaki yung molde, lagyan nyo ng tubig sa ilalim. This will ensure na mas even at saka hindi masyadong magkakaroon ng browning yung ating pastry. Pwede na natin tong isalang sa oven. So, 15 minutes. Eto na siya. Yan. Just like with any other cheesecakes, yung ganyang alsa niya, as it cools down, babagsak pa yan. Pero before mangyari yon, i-finish lang natin siya doon sa aming salamander. Touch of sugar for caramelization. Then, taas lang natin. So meron tayong broiler doon sa taas. May apoy dyan. Ilalapit lang natin hanggang mag-caramelize yung asukal. There you go. Okay. Garnish na lang. Tapos, pwede na tayo mag-serve.